Welcome back to IntroX. I stumbled upon a video titled The Introvert Extrovert Lie Exposed by one of my favorite YouTubers, Tai Lopez. While I respect Tai's insights and enjoy his work, I found his approach to introversion and extroversion oversimplified, especially given how much research we've accumulated on these traits. In the video, Tai suggests that being introverted or extroverted is just about being loud or quiet, but this is too simple and not quite right. Carl Jung, who first made these terms popular, actually described introverts and extroverts based on where they get their energy from, which is inside themselves or from the outside world. This isn't just about how much someone talks or how loudly they speak. It's about deeper feelings and energy. In fact, modern psychology has shown that introverts and extroverts are more than just quiet or loud. Research, including brain scans, indicates that introverts and extroverts have distinct brain activities. This suggests that these traits are deeply rooted in our biology and are not just about behavior, but about how our brains work. One of Tai's claims is that everyone feels the need for time alone to recharge, not just introverts. While it's true that everyone needs a break sometimes, introverts and extroverts handle social energy differently. Introverts feel drained after being around people for too long and regain their energy in solitude, while extroverts get more energized from being around others. This is a real psychological difference, not just a preference. Tai links introversion to social anxiety in his video, and that's also misleading. Social anxiety is a condition that can affect anyone and isn't a key feature of being an introvert. Introverts can be confident and good in social settings. They just enjoy solitude more and handle social energy differently. Many introverts are socially adept and confident. They simply prefer deeper, more meaningful interactions and may need time alone to balance their social engagement. Tai also assesses that introverts are less adaptable or capable of learning than extroverts. Again, numerous studies refute this claim. Introverts are equally capable of adapting to new environments and absorbing new information. On the contrary, introverts often excel in environments where they can concentrate deeply and engage in reflective thinking. Our approach to learning and adaptation may differ from that of extroverts, but is no less effective. Introverts bring valuable skills like deep thinking and focus to tasks and leadership. We bring unique strengths to both personal and professional realms. Our ability to listen deeply, think critically, and maintain long-term focus can lead to exceptional problem-solving skills and creativity. In leadership, introverts are often praised for their calm demeanor and the ability to lead through empowerment rather than domination, encouraging diverse ideas and thoughtful deliberation. In short, Tai is awesome, but he doesn't fully capture what being an introvert or extrovert involves in his video. He is not the only one. There are several people online, and even in the Reddit introvert community, who make similar assertions about the introverted trait, and that is problematic. To everyone watching, understand that these traits influence how people see the world and interact with others, not just how loud or quiet they are. Recognizing and valuing these differences helps us all appreciate the diverse ways people experience the world and can help everyone succeed in their own way. The simplistic dichotomy of introversion and extroversion as just quietness versus loudness is a gross underestimation of the rich, varied nature of these traits. Recognizing and appreciating the depth of introversion and extroversion can lead to better interpersonal understanding and more effective personal and professional interactions. Advice to introverts: to thrive in a world that often favors extroversion, introverts should embrace their natural tendencies. Leverage your strengths, such as your ability to reflect, your keen observation skills, and your capacity for deep work. These are invaluable in today's fast-paced world. Seek environments that match your preference for quieter, more meaningful engagements. Build small, genuine networks rather than stretching yourself thin across larger social circles. Remember, success isn't about being the loudest in the room. It's about making impactful contributions in a way that resonates with your intrinsic nature. By understanding and utilizing your introverted qualities, you can navigate life not just effectively, but brilliantly. If you found this topic interesting and want to learn more, please like and subscribe to the channel to support our work. I'll also link Tai Lopez's video below for your reference. Show him some introverted love while you're at it. Until next time, embrace your brilliance and keep shining.